All right, folks, if you could only own 5 guns, what would they be? Whether you're brand new to firearms or you've got a safe full already, this list is going to make you think. We're talking home defense, hunting, survival, range time. These aren't just popular guns. They're the kind every American should own. Why? Because they're practical, reliable, and cover every situation you might face. From pump-action classics to rifles you can build like Legos, we've got the must-haves that belong in every collection. And no, this isn't about hype or looks. This is about function, value, and firepower that works when you need it most. So if you're building your first loadout or fine-tuning your last, stick around. Because we're breaking down the top 5 guns every American should own, and you just might be surprised by what made the cut. 1. Pump-action shotgun, Mossberg 500. All right, let's kick things off with a true classic, the Mossberg 500. This pump-action shotgun has been a go-to for decades, and for good reason. It's rugged, reliable, and super versatile. Perfect for home defense, hunting, or even just some good old-fashioned trap shooting. With its dual extractors and anti-jam elevator, the action is smooth and dependable. And it's battle-tested, literally. The U.S. military has used it for years, and many law enforcement agencies rely on it as well. One of the best things about the Mossberg 500 is how customizable it is. Want a shorter barrel for home defense? Easy swap. Want a longer barrel and chokes for duck season? No problem. Plus, it's available in different gauges. But the 12 gauge is by far the most popular and practical choice for most folks. There are even combo packages available with 2 barrels in one kit, which means you're ready for just about any kind of shooting without having to buy another shotgun. The safety placement is another huge plus. It's located on the tang, right at the rear of the receiver, making it ambidextrous and super intuitive to use. The stock options range from classic wood to tactical synthetic, and there are even pistol grip versions if that's your style. Price-wise, it's super budget-friendly. You can pick up a new Mossberg 500 for around $400 to $500, depending on the configuration. That's a solid investment for a shotgun that can handle just about any situation you throw at it. If you only own one shotgun in your life, make it this one. 2. Semi-automatic handgun, Glock 19. Now, if you're looking for something compact, powerful, and dead simple to operate, the Glock 19 is an absolute no-brainer. Chambered in 9mm, this semi-auto pistol is the gold standard for concealed carry and home defense. It's got a 15-round magazine, and it's light enough to carry all day, but still has enough size to shoot comfortably at the range. It also balances concealability and performance better than most handguns in its class, which is why it's favored by both everyday carriers and professionals alike. The Glock 19 shines in its simplicity. No external safety to fumble with under stress, and it's known for its point-and-shoot reliability. It has Glock's Safe Action System that includes 3 internal safeties, giving you peace of mind without sacrificing speed. Plus, aftermarket support is insane. There are endless holsters, sights, and trigger upgrades out there. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned gun owner, this thing just works. You can even switch slides or barrels to turn it into a suppressor-ready platform or competition gun if you really want to customize it. As far as price goes, a brand new Glock 19 usually runs about $500 to $600. Not the cheapest, but totally worth it for the peace of mind and reliability you're getting. For that price, you're getting a pistol that can serve double duty as a home defense tool and everyday carry. It's the kind of gun that'll last a lifetime with proper care, and probably still run fine even if you don't baby it. Plenty of Glock 19s have hit tens of thousands of rounds without a hiccup, and that says a lot about the engineering behind it. 3. AR-15 style rifle, Smith & Wesson, MP-15. All right, let's talk rifles, and you already know what's coming. The AR-15 platform is hands down one of the most versatile firearms in America, and the Smith & Wesson MP-15 is a rock-solid choice. It's chambered in 5.56 NATO, which also shoots .223 Remington, and that gives you a ton of affordable ammo options. Whether you're plinking, training, or thinking about home defense in a more tactical way, This rifle can do it all. The M&P 15 comes ready to go right out of the box with a 16-inch barrel, adjustable stock, and standard Picatinny rail for optics. It's lightweight, low recoil, and easy to shoot, even for beginners. And if you're the type who loves to tinker, you're gonna have a blast. The AR platform is like the adult version of Legos. Swap out the handguard, trigger, stock, whatever you want. You can grab the Smith & Wesson MP15 for about $700 to $900, depending on the model and any included accessories. That's a steal for a rifle that can cover everything from casual range days to serious self-defense scenarios. Plus, it's made in the USA and backed by a solid reputation. 4. Bolt-action rifle. Ruger American Rifle. Next up, we've got something for the hunters and long-range shooters out there. The Ruger American Rifle. This bolt-action beauty is perfect if you want precision, power, and reliability, all without breaking the bank. It's available in a bunch of calibers, but if you're looking for a great all-around round, .308 Winchester or 6.5 Creedmoor are both killer options. What makes the Ruger American so awesome is its performance-to-price ratio. The trigger is crisp, the bolt is smooth, and the rifle is surprisingly lightweight for its class. It's got a free-floated barrel and an adjustable trigger, which are usually features you find on much more expensive guns. Whether you're going after deer or ringing steel at 500 yards, this rifle's got your back. And speaking of price, the Ruger American usually sits right around the $500 to $600 mark. That's an incredible deal for a rifle that's accurate right out of the box. Pair it with a decent scope, and you've got a long-range setup that punches way above its weight. 5. 22 LR Rifle, Ruger 10-22. Rounding out the list is a total fan favorite, the Ruger 10-22. If you've never shot one, you're missing out. This rimfire rifle is chambered in 22 LR, which means it's insanely cheap to shoot and has virtually no recoil. That makes it perfect for new shooters, younger folks, or just anyone who wants to have fun at the range without burning through cash. It's also a great training tool for learning fundamentals like trigger control, sight alignment, and target acquisition, all without the intimidation factor of louder or heavier calibers. The October 22nd is incredibly accurate, reliable, and easy to customize. You can keep it simple with the classic wood stock and iron sights, or go crazy with tactical builds, aftermarket barrels, and drum mags. There are even takedown models that break down into 2 pieces for easy storage and transport. Perfect for a backpack or bug-out bag. Whether you want a plinker, a hunting companion, or just something to enjoy with friends on a weekend, this rifle adapts to your needs and style with ease. You can snag a Ruger 10-22 for around $300 to $350. Add a few accessories or upgrades if you're into that. But even in its basic form, this rifle is just plain fun. It's one of those guns that every collection should start or end with. And thanks to its low operating cost and long-standing reputation, it's not just a favorite among beginners. It's beloved by seasoned shooters too. You'll find it in everything from youth shooting leagues to precision rimfire competitions, proving just how much this little rifle can do.